It's Thursday night. Finished work, just ate a big arch burger in 37 seconds. Feel pretty horrible about doing that. So, gonna walk 2.5 miles, 1 hour to the A10 Championship, PPG Paints Arena. Here we go. Casual Thursday. We're in an undisclosed location. Maybe a West Banco in the peripheral. Pretty clean, honestly. Very good shape up here. Buffalo, the DC election protest, New York City a few times, Chicago, and this area right here over Route 28. And folks, this will be probably one of the last few times we take this route. So we're just soaking it in, you know. It's a beautiful area. It has a lot to offer. And it's very clean. It's very clean. Not bad, very nice. It's a very nice area. So I'm trying to plan the Manhattan tip-to-tip walk hopefully soon here. The issue is, folks, it might not be doable for me to fly in the morning, do the walk, and then fly back the same day. I'm trying to time it right. The thing is, I might go there, maybe I don't know. Might have to get a hotel for the night, so we'll see. But that's being planned right now. LaGuardia, they have a 7 a.m. You get in at like 7 a.m. and then the leaving flight's at 10 p.m. So the issue is I gotta take a subway or a train from either LaGuardia or JFK, take it to Inwood Park in the northern tip of Manhattan, and then walk it all the way down to the end of Manhattan towards the World Trade Center in about 9 hours. So the issue is the train ride from the airport to Inwood Park is about an hour to an hour and a half. LaGuardia is the better airport. It's closer. So I don't know. I just think it would be more epic for the lore of the video to do it all in one day. Almost to the A10 Championship, crossing the 16th Street Bridge. There you go, boom. Middle of March here in Pittsburgh. And it's almost springtime. Today, not happening. We're under a wind advisory and I'm feeling that big arch burger more than anything right now. You got an apparatus floating down the river right there. What is that? Looks like a leg. Someone lost a thigh out there. There you go. You got some messaging on the bridge. Praise Shenyun. It's only 10 days away. Land ho. Downtown Pittsburgh. Did a little jaywalk real quick. It's a beautiful spring day. Bike lane. You know it. Just slammed 2 waters, had them holstered up, good to go. Here we go. This block right here, I'm really gonna miss this one. This is by far the best block on Pittsburgh. I've had multiple homeless people berate me right back there. Good times, honestly. Gonna miss them. Here we are in gorgeous downtown Pittsburgh. Look at that architecture. Can't beat it. Falling behind schedule. Here we are at the UPMC Tower. You got the new FMB tower right there. Very nice, very nice. All right, here we go. We gotta go up this loop-de-loop and pool. This Suburban pulled right up in my path. You know, just thinking, that's a big check. If she did happen to flatten me like Stanley, I would take that check any day. Here we are. We do have a walking path. We're almost there. Quite the little gridlock back there. Trying to get up here. The final street, well, almost final street, has been crossed. Here are the Rocky Steps of Pittsburgh. Unofficial Rocky Steps of Pittsburgh. Just master them. Just burn that big arch burger off, no problem. That big arch burger was really good. Could eat another one. Fish fry. Fish fry season. Go get a good fish fry tomorrow. It's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Fish fry Friday. Go get one. Whew. I really haven't spent a whole lot of time up here in this area of town. I'm not a Penguins fan. I've been in this arena, man, maybe 1 time. No, 2 times. One for a Penguin game in 2017. I have been to 1, and I was also here for Travis Scott, and that's brand new. I think most of the building is vacant. They just built it for name brand recognition in the city. That's the truth, I think, allegedly. All right, here we go. Got a couple more streets.
Arena doors for all events open at least 1 hour prior.
Thank you so much. Hi, how are you? The Michelob Club. Oh, there. I think
Up here.
up here. Perfect.
And to the left.
Okay, thank you. Wow, look at this. Fancy. Fancy dancy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Pretty legit. With that blue light, you know it's gonna be good. Mike Lang.
Are you filming?
I'm filming you right now. I've been trying to be low key with the people, have been giving me dirty looks. He's been doing that. I try to give him not as desirable. Here we are live from the Michelob Ultra Club, PPG Arena, the first ever gyro stick review. 5.1 out of 10, horrible. Here I am, Michelob Ultra Club post gyro beef stick. Ugh. I need some of these Duquesne fans to leave, so we have more room. This guy came and sat right next to me. Get lost, buddy. Go sit somewhere else. So, all right, here we go. Game 2 coming up. Loyola Chicago versus Davidson. I'm in Loyola Chicago. Might even hammer a little bet on Loyola Chicago. See the architecture from inside the arena. I gotta get back to the Michelob Ultra Club. I just slammed the pretzel off camera. I was too embarrassed to record it because I'm overeating. I need to quit overeating. It's a problem I have. Oh, way better. All these Duquesne people left. Vibes have changed here at the A10 Tournament. We are at a media timeout between Loyola Chicago and Davidson, the alma mater of Stephen Curry. We're having a good time here, that's for sure, at the A10 Tournament. 8 minutes left in this barn burner. And you know what? I got a little jonesing in me and I threw a little sprinkle on Loyola Chicago money line. So here we go. How will it end? We'll find out. Chicago's up by 5. Let's see what they can do. These Davidson fans are like, look at them. Look at these Davidson fans over there. Wide stride over there. We got about 5.5 minutes left. Loyola Chicago getting cooked by these white guards of Davidson, and there's nothing more dangerous than a white guard in basketball that can play good basketball. It's just the truth. Oh, big three, up 48-40. I won't show you for copyright reasons, so 48-44. Boom, we got 3:50 left. Here comes Davidson. Here they come. Oh, no! Bad foul call. I mushed it. Loyola Chicago lost. It's okay. It's over.
Cheered hard, bum. Gave him all
It's over. We lost. We lost. Sights and sounds here from PPG Paints Arena. He missed the front end, folks. We have life. A little bit of it. Woo! All right, buzzer. I mean, you got to hit 3. All right, folks. Here we go. Here we go.
Be smart. What are you doing?
How about that? How about Dotson? How about Dotson? What is going on tonight, folks? Absolute pandemonium here at PPG Paints. We thought we were done. We thought it was over. It is never over. I think Loyola is probably 3rd in my fan list. Pitt, 7-8, 7-6, 5-0. It's over. Dotson throws up a prayer three. It's off. Rebound Davidson, and that's your game. Sorry.
Yeah, as long as both teams have fun.
All you care about is a good, hard-fought, enjoyable game, Rob.
The chicken tenders were good.
And the chicken tenders are good. The Labatt Blue was good. The Greek gyro stick was not good. And you didn't see that,
Where'd
Rob.
you get that?
It was over here. It was,
okay.
it was bad. But I stuffed a pretzel down my gullet. Well, folks, I'm still gutted. Me and my boy Rob here and his trusty lady are walking to the car. And we're gutted over the Loyola Chicago loss.
Didn't have an answer.
We truly don't know how we're going to sleep tonight.
Oh, I know.
This is what you did to me, Loyola Chicago. This is what you did to me.
Staying in the parking garage.
You put me in a parking garage.
She didn't have an answer in the second.
20 feet under. Hello, everyone. I made it back to the headquarters. What a day at the A10 Championship Tournament. I might be back Sunday or I might be back Saturday. I'll let you know. We might be adding more to this vlog. If not, this is the vlog. This is it. Thanks for watching. If not, you'll have more content. We'll find out here in a minute.